2002 Dodge Ram 1500 van. So this is the large van, but it has a aftermarket rear air conditioning install. And thank God they still have the sticker here. So with this aftermarket install, the sticker tells you that they want you to add 10 more ounces on top of the standard charge. Well, the standard charge isn't the dual unit. The standard charge is a single unit. So this vehicle came with a single unit originally, but with their aftermarket, this aftermarket kit and their hoses and the way they have it arranged, they want you to put 10 ounces. And the original would have been 1,310 grams, but with this setup and this 10 ounces, it'll be 1,253 grams instead of 1,310 with this system installed. So you don't no longer, like if you didn't have this, you would be overcharging the system if you would have went by a dual unit rear, and you wouldn't want to do that. So we're going to charge it up right now. So I got the low side off, turn off the vacuum. Do I have that open? No, I don't. Open up the high side, and we have it in liquid, and we're going to go 1,253 grams. So complete vacuum is now off, and we are zero out our Bluetooth scale. Let's get this down here so we can see it in the sun here better. Can you see that? Is that clear? Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to turn on the refrigerant. Let's see if we could keep that in focus at the same time. 1, 2, go. The refrigerant is now open. It's going through, you can see the liquid swirling around in there. And it's going in. So it's going down the high side as a liquid. You want 1,253, say 1,250. Now let me focus. I notice my camera is not focusing. 1,100. I'm going to start choking it down, turning it off. It's off. Turn it back open. Turn it off. Open, off. Good enough for government work. I could live with that. 1,250. And that's it. It's full. That's a large system. 1,250. That's over two pounds. Filled the system. I don't know how many seconds that took, but you guys can measure that. We'll come back to this on the second video. I'm gonna let it run. It's been baking out here, and it's just after 12, almost 1 o'clock. I think it's 1 o'clock now. And so this has been parked here since this morning. So it's a dark vehicle, dark interior, and it is cooking inside. So let's start this thing up, come back in the second video, and we'll see what the pressures and temperatures look like.